Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to remove Gemini from Google Assistant and bring back the trusty Google Assistant. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a quick and helpful tutorial like this one. All right, let's dive in. First, open your phone and go to the search bar. Type in SHAR Google app and tap to open it. Once you're inside, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to a page with a bunch of options. Look for Google Assistant and tap on it. Now in the Google Assistant settings, scroll down until you find the option called Digital Assistance from Google. Tap on that, and here's the key part. Click on Google Assistant to make it your default assistant again. You'll be asked to confirm this. Just click Switch, and you're all set. And that's it. You're back to using Google Assistant, no more Gemini. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and share it with friends who might need it. And remember, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.